In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air injection check valve on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Grab this cover, I'll just slide it up. There's a couple clips holding it in. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. I'll slide that off. And I'll take a pick, just get under these hoses, loosen that up. Slide that off, out of the way. Same with this one. Just try to get under it a little. Try not to rip it. Slide that off, out of the way. There's a tab right here. Just use a pick, just push on that tab, and you can slide it off the bracket. Take the valve. We can attach the hoses. Push that on, push that one on. You can slide it over the bracket, lock it down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Take the cover, line it up, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.